here's the staking ring, okay, and if you'll look closely, I don't know if you can see that. You can see light through there. I don't know if you can see that on here now. Let's see if we can bring that in. You see the light between there? Okay, right in between here. Most of it's not welded. So most of this ring is not welded. It's just a little tack at the end and a little tack, little tiny. See it there? That's a shit job. I mean, that's just no damn good. Like that's how you lose your animal, your trap, and everything. So I guess this is from Cabela's. So this is absolute junk. I've been the last 2 or 3 days repairing traps, and I'm not even trapping. Like I've stopped this years ago, and I'm not even sure why I bought this $330. I think on a whim. It was on sale. I feel probably felt a little nostalgic. Oh, there's bang bang. I'm waiting for the zombie apocalypse. You never know when you'll need one. I know it's coming. So, okay, so let's just repair this. I'm going to make it a little bit better because now that I saw it, I just have to. For those of you who don't know anything about it, this is flux core welding wire. It's such a pain in the ass. It's so messy. Does the job though. There. That's prettier. Years ago, I'd have done this all with stick. And I'm going to tell you that the MIG is a lot easier for this small stuff. Stick, you really got to hit it fast for the small stuff. And you got to hit it fast with the MIG too. But I did body work on my cars years ago with a stick. No, you want body work on a car, you need a plastic rod, I guess. That's it. Okay, so yeah. So there. So I'm going to so now it's welded solid.